miracle going to happen on my way, that God has already answered my prayer because I have been suffering for long. So he now said, okay, do I have my ATM? I said yes. He said a big amount of money is going to enter my account.
Hello, my people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Hope so now they fine. Una do what una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well. My people, wonder shall never end. Not the way person no go see. Una see this our Nigeria actress. Her name na Lilian. Wetin happen to the woman? Maybe many of una don see am. Maybe some of una never see am. But this our country. Hey, my people, now wow. Hey, una be careful. Una open eye well. Hey, original miracle. She said she just dey go away for Asaba. Now this thing happen so. She just dey go away. One elder man just stop and say, abeg, I dey look for so place. Now she come tell am say, I no know anywhere for this Asaba. Na only where she dey work, na she know. Say she come help the man. Call another person, come tell am say, abeg, go see this man dey find so place like this. So if you know, may you help am, may you direct the man. He said so the other man come direct am. So she come dey waka dey go say, see that one don dey talk to her. Now she come dey waka dey go her own way. As she dey waka dey go her own way now this man come dey inside car dey drive dey go. He come stop am, come dey tell am say, I know some miracle wan happen to you, my people. I know say na so dey take dey start am. Some miracle wan happen to you. You lost your father the time when you dey small. Even your mother about 3 years ago or 2 years ago. He said the man come, you know say na so dey take dey start. Hi, Baba God, help our people. He said come tell am say na true, na yes. He said the man come tell am say miracle wan happen to am. You dey go church? Say tell am say yes. Say I be Christian. You get your ATM card for them because miracle wan just come now. Your bank account now go just receive alert. Na people more than not vending dey make me dey laugh. Miracle wan just enter your bank account now. If you get your ATM for them, may you bring am. May he pray put. Say come give am ATM. Come say the man come dey pray. Come say may she still pray put. Now she come pray. Come say okay, may tie the, may use something take tie the ATM card. May put am for inside bag. May no, because of all these boys, may they not go thief. Come say now she can't do one like that. Put am for inside. She can't dey waka dey go. When she reach where she wan enter keke now alert come from her phone. Say money, my people, money don comot. Only God now one, my people. Mona be careful. All this miracle. Where miracle dey? Who wan go put money for your bank account if you no work? Say na the work where you work. Now these things now our people not the reason, they not they think. Since where you were born, you see money where don't fly come enter account. Money no dey fall for heaven. Do better thing, money go come. Our people too believe in miracle there. Now they take they brainwash all of them. See now, all the money where she don't save, all of them don't finish. The man don't carry everything come out. The way it take change the ATM card, she not even know. Now God now they help our people. I will put the video, more na watch and more na share am. Make people take wise. No miracle. Nothing be miracle. If you not work, money not dey come. Money not dey come. If you not go work, come they say you sit down for inside, say money go come meet you. Who tell you that? Now this one, now our people they run up and down. Miracle there. The way it take change the card now. She did there, they pray. She don't know. He give her another thing. Put her for inside. Carry they go. He claim all the money for her account. Now that one might be the miracle we say he want receive. Now wow, mona wise up, mona open her eye well because all this fake miracle there. Who miracle help? Where the miracle? Where it dey? Miracle dey now our country still be like that. May I put the video, mona watch and then mona help me share. Now bye.
Good evening, everyone. This is an advice to everyone, and also an experience I passed through yesterday. On my way going back from location, an elderly man came across to me and asked me if I know a way to Divine Hospital. And I told him I don't know anywhere in Asaba apart from the places I go for work. Then I said he should wait a minute. He should just give me a minute. Let me go nearby and ask someone so that the person will come and direct him. And I went to a shop. I asked the guy if he knows somewhere that is called Divine Mercy Hospital. He said yes. I said, please come along and give this man the direction, but he's stranded. And he said he has someone that is about to die in the hospital. Then after that, the guy now came and gave the man the direction. So I now decided to go a little away from that place to get something for myself to eat. The man now came with his car and said I should stop, that he has a vision for me. He saw a vision for me. I said, okay, I'm listening. He said, my mom left 3 years ago. True of us? I said, true. And my dad died when I was a little. I said, yes. He said I should not worry, that today marks the end of my suffering because he has seen that I've been struggling since my mom left. I said, yes, sir. He said I should wipe my tears, that everything is going to be all right. After that, he now said I should just wipe away my tears. I said, thank you so much. He asked me if I'm a Christian. I said, yes, I'm a Christian. He now introduced himself as a Reverend Father. Reverend Father Jude, that's what he calls his name. And said that he saw a miracle going to happen on my way, that God has already answered my prayer because I have been suffering for long. So he now said, okay, do I have my ATM? I said, yes. He said a big amount of money is going to enter my account. That is the way that God wants to wipe away my tears. I said, I believe in God. He told me that he loves that. He loves people that love God. He now said I should bring out my ATM. So he will pray on top of that, my ATM, so that the miracle will manifest. I brought out my ATM. He now prayed. Asked me to pray also. I prayed with my pure heart. He now gave me a paper, said I should wrap my ATM. I wrapped the ATM. He now said he now laid a prayer on that ATM and said, from today, I'll be seeing miracles. God have already answered my prayers. I said, thank you so much, sir. So he now said I should put down my ATM inside my small purse, that I should not bring it out so that all these boys walking around in the night will not collect it from me. I said, okay, sir. I put it inside the bag exactly the way he told me. Then for me to enter Keke from Traffic Junction and reaching Access Bank Junction, I saw a debit alert. I was like, what did I do with my money? Because I didn't go to any bank, I didn't go to POS. I was just cross-checking that in my memory, and I saw another debit alert. Behold, this man just debited my lifetime savings. Money I've been saving all this while. He just collected it from me for no reason. Immediately I got home. What I saw in the exchange of my ATM card was this. This is what I got in place of my ATM. I cried, and I know that crying won't solve the problem. I also went to the bank. They said they can't do anything. Even if I take the case to the police people, they will not do anything. And I laid a curse on that man. I laid a curse with the spirit of my late mom and my late father, because he used it against me and also used God's name against it. Please, I know that this video will go viral and he will come across this video. Wherever you are, whether you call yourself Reverend Father Jude or anything you call yourself, your cup has already been filled up. This is your last bus stop. And I pray God will surely judge you. The cry of an orphan will never go in vain. God will surely judge you wherever you are.